Hello guys, this is the continuation of the previous video. So you can change your color from like to classic view, which I discussed in my presentation. You can change your color, so it will be look like statistically that how much your area ranges from this to this. And you can also increase your classes. For example, if I increase the 8 classes, it will be increase the 8 classes. Mm, if I select this one, okay, and this will be our 8 classes. So I go to the my 5 places, so it will be give me a little bit data, and the my software will be not hanging. So I save it and go to mass. This is the mass, this is the histogram, means this is the elevation. High elevation is not too much. The green one, which is the in this area, is low elevated area, is more in your area. So now by going to layout, go to insert, we have the this layout option. We have different page sizes, which can you choose it. uh, so mostly if I in this week choose the A4 page, and the landscape will be the horizontally, so I select it. So firstly they will be appear blank because they will need a data. So you go to the your map frame, so you have the one this one this one this one. So I create a layout from this map, so you will be create it easily by clicking. It will be take some minutes because of the very high data, so it will take some minutes. We will be waited for it. Later on, if they are overloaded, so we will be create a change on it. So it loaded, so we can move like this. So this is our area, and firstly, so this is the rotation. So which thing we miss it is the, for example, if I click on it, so they give me which size you can do, you can adjust your map. So I think this size will be okay to me, because this will be the my legend. And if I like little bit remove like this, okay, and it just like this. Okay, so this is our dem file, and this is our DPS map, and I want to create a map of the my this rock field. So go to right click and go to activation. So now you can activate your area. I think this will be okay to me, and I remove this, and I will be click like this, and this will be. And if I click roads, its road is not okay, so I created this. And yes, this is our layout of our map. I not needed uh, anything else. So yes, so this is our map layer. So we will be now this for the legends, and this for the another insert map to create which location is present in this area. So we now go to layout, close the activation, means now you cannot changes your this area. We can save it, and then we go to the map layout to create a new map. So it will be create a new base map, and this base map we will be zoom to our location area and select a triangular. So I can uncheck this because it's too much loaded. This is our location map. So go to this and map frame, so it will be created an map 1. Map 1 means like you can say map 1 layout 3D and map. You can change the map also by clicking example, if I go to this, by double click, you can change study area location. So it will change the study area location. And you can, this 3D, this is the map. Okay, so you can now go to this. So you can check, you can see it. It is study area location. This will be the base map and this will be our view. So we can, this will be my study area location, and you can adjust as you can. Yes, I adjusted in this, and go to right click, activation, and zoom like this. I know that this is place is located like this. Okay, this will make the, so there is the, yes, I close the activation and I click it, and if I, so it automatically create a names on this area. And okay, and go to the activation. Okay, and yes, this is our the location map, and goes to again activation, and there is the one option rectangular. Okay, no, this is not location, this is the, so here is the location map. So they will directly show your this area map. You can see the your this dot this dot or this rectangular of this area, because of the very small area, so you can not see it. But I can change the, if I go to the properties, if I have some symbol of black, and size will be, go to 40, and the color will be, okay, I think it's not this one. Go to this properties, yes, this one. Okay, so I will, this is the frame of the, I go to red one, and I go to 5, let's check up. So it will be now red in color. If I go to this up to 6, so it will now visible. In 10 will be okay to me. Okay, so you can change your shape like this. This is your area. Now we go to our this, you can change your which area, which north you can select it, but for the practice we can select like this. Okay, so you can also go to properties, and you can locked, you cannot change it, their position. This will be the color. If we change, for example, if I go to a red one, if I, this will be the angle. If I, okay, this will be the angle. For example, if I go to 90, this will be like rotated 90 degree, but it not rotated because the area size of the north is the this one direction, so it not changes. Black one is okay. Okay, and go to the, yes, this is the visible, and you can also visible on mainframe, but this, I think this will be enough to me. This will be true north. You can also magnetic north. This is different north variation. So this true north will be okay. This will be the borders. For example, if you change the color of the border, for example white one, and you change the color of the background, so it will background will be color white. So I will do no color, no color. This is the shading color. If you also change the color of the shading, the shading of the north, so it will be not needed, no color. So you can change your everything, your border, your shading, your point, everything. So this is our north area. I think 10 minutes video, so it will be stopped recording automatically. So next video we will be created a scale and their legends and layout of our area.